back to Parmesan holiday. Last week I took a quick trip to Melbourne and I didn't pack light by any means, but I did leave about half of my big suitcase free so that I had some space to bring back some things if I wanted to. Sit back and enjoy this video. It kind of goes with my previous packing videos and I hope you get something useful out of it. Thank you. You can see in my packing cubes I've put my trousers, my tops, my dresses, one there for underwear, one for swimwear and one for sleepwear. And then I've used these ties to hold all of them in place so that they don't fall out when you open the suitcase. In this little flap on the top here I've got my handbag, and then in here I've got all my shoes in the Shein bags. They're great for that. And I've also got my toiletry bag. Make sure you put all your liquids in here and put them through your checked luggage. So in this case we have my cables, the digital scales, my medication in case that goes missing. It's really important to have in your carry-on. My makeup in there, couldn't do without that. Then I've got my camera equipment in here, and one other thing, and I don't think I've shown you this yet, is my jewellery case. It's a great wee travel size case, just enough for a few pair of earrings, some rings and some bracelets. And it stores down, it's actually quite small, but it carries a lot of items in there, so really good case, that one. So I chose to take a small backpack instead of a handbag, and this one's great because it opens from the back, so it's a little bit more secure. In here I have my document wallet with my passports and important documents in it. I have my purse with my cards in it, and on the sides there's two pockets. One I put my glasses, and on the other side I put things like sanitizer, things that I'm going to need on the plane. And it's brilliant being hands-free. Thank you for watching another vlog by Parmesan Holiday. Hope you got something useful out of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. What is your favourite packing tip? What do you love to do when you pack and go on holiday? Is there something you love to take with you? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Happy holidays!